If you're intelligent, analytical, and self-aware, why is it so hard for you to relax? You understand stress, you know about burnout, you've read the books, and yet your mind doesn't switch off. This isn't a willpower problem. And it's not because you're too mental. It's a nervous system pattern. Today we'll break down, scientifically, why intelligent minds often struggle to relax, and what's actually happening underneath. 1. The overactive predictive brain. Your brain is not designed to relax, it's designed to predict. Modern neuroscience describes the brain as a prediction machine. It constantly models the future to minimize uncertainty. Research in predictive processing theory suggests that highly analytical individuals often generate more complex internal models of the world. More models mean more simulations. More simulations mean more cognitive activity. In other words, the smarter and more analytical you are, the more your brain rehearses possible outcomes. This increases activity in networks like the default mode network, the system involved in self-referential thinking and mental time travel. When this network is overactive, rumination increases, and rumination keeps the nervous system subtly activated, not panic, but background vigilance. 2. Intelligence and sensitivity. There's another layer. Higher cognitive ability often correlates with higher sensitivity to stimuli. Some studies suggest that individuals with higher intelligence may show increased cortical responsiveness. That doesn't mean fragility, it means faster processing, more input processed, more nuance detected, more ambiguity perceived. Your nervous system interprets ambiguity as potential threat. So even when you are physically safe, your body may remain in low-level sympathetic activation. That's the stress branch of the autonomic nervous system. Not fight or flight, but monitoring mode. Relaxation requires parasympathetic dominance, especially activity through the ventral vagus nerve. But monitoring mode keeps that suppressed. 3. Cognitive control versus regulation. Here's the critical distinction. Understanding stress cognitively does not regulate the nervous system. Many intelligent people try to relax by thinking their way out of stress. They analyze, they rationalize, they optimize routines. But regulation is physiological. The autonomic nervous system responds to signals of safety, not arguments. You cannot debate your vagus nerve into calm. You have to signal safety through the body. Breathing patterns, posture, exhalation length, muscle tone, eye focus. These are biological inputs. 4. When analytical minds notice they can't relax, they often add another layer, meta-analysis. Why can't I switch off? What's wrong with me? Am I broken? This increases activity in the medial prefrontal cortex, strengthening self-referential loops. That loop sustains default mode network activity, which sustains autonomic arousal, which sustains difficulty relaxing. It becomes a self-reinforcing system, not because you lack discipline, but because your intelligence amplifies feedback loops. 5. What actually helps? So what works? Not more thinking, not more optimization, but physiological regulation. Research on vagal tone and heart rate variability shows that slow exhalation breathing can increase parasympathetic activation. Longer exhales than inhales, soft gaze, reduced jaw tension, supported posture. These signal safety to the nervous system. And when the body shifts, the mind follows. Clarity is downstream of regulation, not the other way around. 6. Identity shift. If you're intelligent and struggle to relax, your mind is not the enemy. It's just overtrained in prediction. The goal isn't to think less, it's to regulate first. When the nervous system settles, intelligence becomes precision, not pressure. This is the rational reset. Understanding your biology so your mind can finally rest.